So this is a PetFusion gravity water dispenser, and we've already opened the box. This is the item right here. Now, from what I understand, we take this part, unscrew the cap, and then we fill this with water. All right, now we can fill this container, which holds up to 2 gallons of water. And while we're here, that's a little bit of the specs on the side of the box.
Okay,
So
so
it looks like here on the side, there's little grooves that go into these grooves and then turn to lock this into place. Still got a little bit of water to go. All right, we will call it there. We'll say it's not a full 2 gallons, but that's what we can get with our sink.
God, it's heavy.
All right, then we
screw
put our
this
cap
on?
back on.
Then we take this magical water bowl and then we just put it on and get the grooves locked in.
Yeah.
Record, I mean.
Looks good. Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
It's like the water cooler at work.
And there we go. They have forever water with this gravity water dispenser. 2 thumbs up.
Bye!
And so there it is, all set up and ready to go for little buddy.